can industries grow without harming the environment? Introduction. Yes, by controlling industrial pollution. Air pollution can be reduced using cleaner fuels. Filters can remove harmful gases. Water pollution can be controlled by treating waste. Industries should recycle water. Land pollution can be reduced by proper waste disposal. Recycling helps reduce waste. Noise pollution can be controlled by using soundproof machines. Cleaner technologies reduce pollution at source. Government laws help control pollution. Controlling pollution is essential for sustainable development. It protects both environment and people. Quick revision: air pollution control, water treatment, waste management, cleaner technology. Question 1. How can water pollution be controlled? By treating industrial waste before discharge. Question 2. What is cleaner technology? Technology that reduces pollution and protects the environment. Closing. Next topic: sustainable industrial development.